How to copy playlist on Spotify. Open Spotify on your device, then sign into your account. As you sign into your account, on your library at the sidebar you can see the list of your playlist. In order to copy the playlist, you have to choose the playlist that you want to copy and right click on that playlist. On this box, you have to select Add to Other Playlist and click on New Playlist as we are copying the playlist. Then as you can see that the playlist has already been copied, you can right click here and click on the edit details option and edit the name and the description also you can add, which is optional. So we can enter the name here of our choice and click on the save button. So that's how we easily copy playlists on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.